of 10. Egg Beckham 23MK voted for overpowered modifier. 1 vote. Benzema 3MK 123 left your game 9/10. JGZ Games 55 left your game 8/10. Block Wars CTF is starting in 5 seconds. Block Wars CTF is starting in 4 seconds. Block Wars CTF is starting in 3 seconds. Egg Beckham 23MK voted for speed boost modifier. 1 vote. Plus Lucky Blackie 2018 joined your game 9/10. Block Wars CTF is starting in 2 seconds. Block Wars CTF is starting in 1 second. Let the games begin. Selected speed boost modifier. 1 vote. Player 638921624 was slain by extremist Bo 6. Irritate Aisha thought they could survive in the void while escaping Lucky Blackie 2018. Caltastic 777 was slain by extremist Bo 6. Lucky Blackie 2018 was slain by extremist Bo 6. Egg Beckham 23MK died in the void. Player 638921624 was slain by extremist Bo 6. Sinzi Tuba 738525 was slain by 2 Scroll 7416. Irritate Aisha was slain by Lucky Blackie 2018. Tadino 2016 died in the void while escaping Lucky Blackie 2018. Caltastic 777 fell to their death while escaping extremist Bo 6. Sinzi Tuba 738525 was slain by extremist Bo 6. Tadino 2016 couldn't fly. Lucky Blackie 2018 was slain by extremist Bo 6. Player 638921624 was slain by extremist Bo 6. Flag taken. Irritate Aisha has taken the red flag. Rainbow XD 9320 was slain by Irritate Aisha. Irritate Aisha was slain by Lucky Blackie 2018. Sinzi Tuba 738525 thought they could survive in the void while escaping 2 Scroll 7416. Rainbow XD 9320 was slain by 2 Scroll 7416. 2 Scroll 7416 was slain by Lucky Blackie 2018. Egg Beckham 23MK died in the void while escaping Lucky Blackie 2018. Team Rainbow XD 9320, player sucks. Flag taken. Irritate Aisha has taken the red flag. Interact with our community on our forums. Coopcraft.net, introduce yourself, make suggestions and read up on what our community are up to. 2 Scroll 7416 was slain by Lucky Blackie 2018. Player 638,921,624 thought they could survive in the void while escaping extremist Bo 6. Flag dropped. Irritate Aisha has dropped the red flag. Flag taken. Tadino 2016 has taken the red flag. Lucky Blackie 2018 was slain by extremist Bo 6. 2 Scroll 7416 picked up a speed power-up. Sinzi Tuba 738525 was slain by extremist Bo 6. Caltastic 777 picked up a strength power-up. Flag returned. Red flag returned. 2 Scroll 7416 died in the void. Egg Beckham 23MK thought they could survive in the void. Player 638,921,624 couldn't fly. Flag captured. Tadino 2016 has captured the red flag. Lucky Blackie 2018 was slain by 2 Scroll 7416. Flag dropped. Egg Beckham 23MK has dropped the red flag.